How to adjust color saturation on Smart TV. And okay guys, the first things you can do is go to menu on your remote. Then you can see the option and you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings in picture, okay, you'll have to do is go to picture and you can see the option again and go to picture mode settings. And now you can adjust the display setting for each picture mode. And you'll have to do is go to picture mode settings and you can see the option again and you can see here the color saturation. And the color saturation is set into 50%. To adjust the color intensity of the picture for a more variant image, okay, you'll have to do is go to color saturation and now you can see the adjustment. So you can adjust to the right to hide the color saturation. And you can adjust to the left to load the color saturation. And okay guys, I decide to set the color saturation into 55%. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully adjusted the color saturation on my Smart TV.